Namo. There were many requests on my YouTube channel to introduce the viewers to all of my books. Can do that gradually. Today I will introduce you to one of the biggest books that I have in my collection. And I have owned this book for more than 12 years now. And here's the book. Look at the size. This is the case. This is the Ramcharitmanas of Goswami Tulsidas. And let me take this out. It's heavy. That's the book. It is the Ramcharitmanas of Goswami Tulsidas, translated, also subtitled The Holy Lake of the Acts of Rama. And this is translated into English and Hindi by R.C. Prasad. If I open, this is a hardcover with the dust jacket, as you would have guessed. And if I remove the dust jacket, that's what the hardcover looks like. Published by Motilal Banarsi Das. It's a 2008 reprint. And when I bought this book in 2009, it was priced only at 500 rupees. Adjusted for inflation, that is today around 1200, 1300 rupees. Big book with more than 900 pages, 800 or 900 pages. So I'll show you a few sample pages. It has a nice plate also. Here's one of the plates. It's a painting, if you can see. And that is the front page. Edited and translated into Hindi and English by R.C. Prasad, who was a reader of English at the Patna University, if I'm not mistaken. Originally wrote this book in 1994. It was reprinted in 1999, then 2004, and then 2008. This is the second edition. Published by Motilal Banarsi Das. I bought this from their Bangalore showroom. It was a great bookstore in Jayanagar. If I remember correctly, it was first block, very close to where Cloud9 maternity home stood. And unfortunately, the store is now shut down, as is their beautiful and lovely store in Mumbai, which was near Haji Ali. So I'm a fan of bilingual translations which are into Hindi and English at the same time. So I'll show you a sample page. This is a sample page where you have the original text in boldface, followed by the Hindi translation, and then the English translation. Huge book, a heavy book, and I found it quite useful. I have not read it fully, but I do refer it. It's mostly for reference. I do refer it when I have to see multiple interpretations of a verse of the Ramcharitmanas. So every page has this border in saffron. All the Vishrama points are indicated. And this also had the 8th interpolated Kanda, which is the Lavakush Kanda, which is obviously not authored by Goswami Tulsidas, but several editions of Ramcharitmanas, including the one with the commentary by Pandit Jwala Prasad Mishra, have this. Now, what I like about this book is it's written from a very scholarly point of view. So it presents the verses with a very plain, simple, and an unadulterated meaning, which brings out which seems to brings out the real sense of what the original verses were in both Hindi and English at the same time. At the end of the book are many useful appendices, and here's a nice plate of Sri Hanuman. So in one of the appendices there is the Hanuman Chalisa with its oh, the table is shaking. The table is shaking, and so is the camera. So one of the appendices has a translation, Hindi and English translation of the Hanuman Chalisa. There is the Ram Shalaka Prashnavali. There is an appendix on the mode of recitation, and a very useful appendix on Indian and foreign criticisms. Now, criticism doesn't mean criticizing, but critical reviews of the Ramacharitamanus and other works of Tulsidas. So that includes criticisms by Banarsi Prasad Saxena, Mata Prasad Gupta, Vishwanath Mishra, R.C. Pandey, R.K. Das Gupta, R.K. Tripathi, Ramdat Bharadwaj, and many more Indian authors. Shambhunath Singh, Nirmala Jain, Ramavad Dwivedi, Vidyanivas Mishra, one of the tallest scholars in India today, Chandra Kumari Handu, and then there are European and American criticisms, starting from this appendix. Edmund Babinot, Frank Wehling, Barannikov, the Russian Indologist, Brockington, W.D.P. Hill, George Grierson, and so on. And finally, there's a glossary with the English and the Devanagari spellings, if you can make this out, and their meanings. Everything is typeset in 2 columns, which is suitable for a book of this size. And at the end, there is the Arati of Sri Ramachandra from the Vinay Patrika. It's only in Devanagari. This is I'll try to show you this. If you just, before the dust jacket, that's the last page. And that's similarly, you have the first page, which is a colored image of a manuscript. So that, friends, is the largest book in my collection, one of the largest books, and I'll see you some other day with another book from my collection. Namo Vah.